Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Google Gemini apps activity tracking. For you to understand more, the tracking activity tracking option, it's a little bit concerning for when we speak about privacy, but at the same time it's something essential for the Google Gemini app to understand your behavior and how you are using the app. If you want to turn it off, you have just to click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go to Gemini apps activity, click on it. And as you can see here, there is on option. You have just to click on it. And after that, click on it again. And as you can see, the first option is to turn it off. So you can just turn it off, or you can turn it off and delete all the previous activities. So it's up to you if you want to just turn it off or turn it off and delete your old activities. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.